Sa kuan man gud ma'am sa officers, murag na man gud ni session for the counseling. And murag wala mi nang adto ato kay murag busy pud me and stuff. And that's the moment nga murag ingon gid nako nga I really needed this for myself. I have to help myself. So mo gyud ni duol ko dito ma'am, and that was the time nga kanang murag happy tagid ko mabungkag ma'am. Happy tagid ko ma-shattered into pieces. And mo to naka-decide ko nga I can't handle this myself anymore. I need someone to help me nga kanang makatabang gid sa ako, not just words but with resolution as well, with solution gyud. So mo gid ni duol gid ko ma'am, balag na ko'y klase ato akong gi-absenan kay murag bugat na kayo akong heart, di na ko ka-focus with anything. Yung murag taod-taod ko muhilak ka kog kalit every time I remember nako. Kay syempre lahi gyud ang kanang murag backlash good from the people, and murag napag yung mga naapil nga online na mga things. So parang I was so helpless that time and I couldn't even defend myself. So nangita gid kog someone to help me nga kanang kaya gid ni mo ni nga nilang ang himua. So Sir Noel really gave me that push and the comfort at the same time nga mapagawas gid nako ako ang side pod kahit sa kanya lang, at least someone can listen and someone will know what really happened.